Hey. So, as you all know, I have Sisterlocks, and Sisterlocks is different from different types of microlocks based on the fact that Sisterlocks is trademarked. You have to be certified to install Sisterlocks, meaning that you have to take a certification course. You kind of have to show your work and provide it to the Sisterlock headquarters in order to be approved. And there's other things that goes, along with that. And one difference between getting Sisterlocks installed and Microlocks installed is if your Sisterlocks are installed by a certified loctician, then you get what is called the customer starter kit. And it might be backwards because I'm using my front-facing camera. But here is my Sisterlock customer starter kit. I am going to wash my hair soon, and I want to see what is in this kit. So I'm going to show you as I find out. So it says here, carefully shampoo your new Sisterlocks. Bundle, braid first if necessary. Proper shampoo technique. Separate your locks and use only starter shampoo. Okay. It says the contents is 1 4-ounce starter shampoo, a tip sheet, rubber bands, shampooing instructions, plus Sisterlock's birthday certificate form. So let's see what's in here. Okay. So here is the 4-ounce Sisterlock starter shampoo. And I think this is a clarifying shampoo that's supposed to be used. It doesn't really have a smell. It's very liquidy. I'm just looking at the ingredients. Okay, so this is the shampoo, 4 ounces. Here is a bag of rubber bands. So I'm assuming that this is for braiding and banding. Of course, this is just a start. This is not enough to braid and band if you're supposed to do that for the course of your locks. And I have other colorful rubber bands. I like that they're colorful. I mentioned in my live video that you can see the color when it's time to cut it out. So I like that it's colorful. I don't know, maybe there's about 15, 20 rubber bands in here. Then there is, it says, let us acknowledge you as a member of our growing Sisterlock family. Get your official Sisterlock's birth certificate for free. So you fill out information. It's a card. It's a welcome. Now, wait a minute. It says, get your official Sisterlock's birth certificate free, but on the back, I'm seeing method of payment. Oh, for a welcome kit, if you want a welcome kit. Okay. So you have the option of receiving like a certificate for your, a birth certificate for your Sisterlocks. You get it free. I don't know if I'm going to fill out and get it. What am I going to do with an extra piece of paper? I know when my locks were installed. And then if you send them an extra fee, you'll get a special welcome kit. So that's nice. There's a few things in there. And you can join like the Sisterlocks information network. So that's cool. You do have to pay for shipping and handling for the birth certificate. That's good to know. Throw that back in the box. And here is a pamphlet, helpful tips for your Sisterlocks. So it pretty much gives you a direction. Settling into your locks may take from 1 to 6 months. Daily hair care habits, and explore styling options, which they don't gotta tell me twice, okay? If you're transitioning, for those with processed hair, it gives instructions for that as well. And then here is a card. Okay, so this is what I'm gonna need. This is a card that pretty much breaks down how you would shampoo your hair. Bundle in sections, wet hair thoroughly, apply the starter shampoo, wash, rinse, resuds if necessary. It says towel dry, but we not towel drying. I haven't towel dried my hair in who knows when. separate your locks. And then once your consultant tells you your hair has passed through the settling in phase, you can move up to regular Sisterlocks products. So there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different Sisterlock products that you can use. Not really interested in those, but I do need the starter shampoo for when I wash my locks. And these rubber bands, I'll use these, or I'll add them to the jar that I have full of rubber bands. And that is all that was in my Sisterlock Starter Kit.